Recently, football fans have been discussing interesting question: has Abdulkader Husanov surpassed Mbappe? Of course, it sounds like a big statement. Kylian Mbappe is one of the biggest stars in the world football, famous for his incredible speed, goals, and performance in major tournaments. However, Abdulkader Husanov is also developing rapidly as a strong and rebel defender. His physical strength, speed, and defensive awareness have impressed many fans and analysts. In certain matches, Husanovs have shown that he can compete against very fast attractors. Even players with Mbappe's style of play, they provide his full potential. We must remember, Mbappe is an attractive player while Sanov is a defender. Their roles are completely different, so comparing them directly is not simple. In conclusion, Mbappe is already an established global superstar. Yet Sanov has huge potential and bright future ahead. If he continues improving at this rate, he could become more one of Europe's top defenders in the coming year. For Uzbek fans, Sanov progress is a source of pride and inspiration.